So I cannot tell you how excited I was to get this vacuum in the mail today. I knew I had to put it together and come show you guys immediately. And as you can see, I've got one dog here. I have more dogs on my couch. I have dog hair everywhere because we have a grooming business in my basement. So this girl definitely needed a new vacuum. So come with me, let me show you all the things. She glides really, really well. She's got 2 speeds, one for hardwood floors, and then a second more powerful one for like carpets that are low pile, not high pile. I just poured some rice on the ground. Let's check this out. Let's see how well this does. I'm gonna have it on the lowest setting. Oh yeah. That's not even kicking the rice around. That's nice. That's nice. And you can see all the rice right in here. That is really nice. Let's use like this furniture brush and test it out. I have this darker chair. Did a really nice job. I had even dumped it. Look what it collected, some more animal hair. Great attachment.